I'm so happy! Brace yourself! Let's try a new trick! Yee! Whoa! Aichiwola! Thanks, buddy! So cool! Come on, Torch. We've got work to do. We've got some work to do.
Johnny, this is a top emergency. Our friends, the Billdozer and Wheelephant, got really scared because of the incoming storm. The meadow area is getting really hectic. Billdozer and Wheelephant are driving and bumping everywhere in full panic. Also, they're heading toward another Animacar called Trackodile. Look, he's asleep and could get hurt. You need to gather your stuff quickly and help him.
Check. Anima tool? Check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way. Let's hurry up. Yeah, let's go! Whoa, the storm is making me lose control. Get ready to land, Torch. Come on, let's go save it! Whoa. Torch! Help! Tool equals super tool! Ha-ha! Ew, ew. Ouch! Whoa, I'm okay. Aww. Hey, where's Torch? Torch! Torch, silly dog. Hey, hey, hey. Why isn't that working? Time to use Anima Watch. Anima Watch activated. AnimaCars, go! Hey, my friend. We need your help. Hang in there. Go, go, go! Do it! Let's get to it! Woohoo! Great! That's amazing! Give me 5, Torch. Thanks, buddy. There you go. It's playtime! We've got some work to do. Tool, check! Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way! Let's hurry up! Let's go! Get ready to land, Torch. Wow. That was close. Hey there! Brace yourself! Let's fix. Phew. Okay. Nothing can't be solved with the Anima tool. Torch, silly dog. Whoa, I've gotta be careful. Oh no! Whoa! Oh. What are we gonna do? Uh-huh. Okay. Anima Watch activated. AnimaCars, let's go! Hello? We need your help! Come on, let's go save it! Team Toolbox incoming! Whoa! This should work. Ready, buddy? Amazing! Go, go, go! Yup! Hang in there! Great job! What an adventure today! Yeah! Huh? Yeah! Hey! Team Toolbox, mission accomplished! Let's go! Go faster! Faster! You said it, Torch. Hey! Torch! Careful! Oh, buddy. Fiddlesticks. Can you help me with something? This should work. Oh, come on, George. We've got work to do.
Hello, Team Toolbox. There is an emergency at the frozen playground. Meagle was carrying Christmas presents when his cargo door got stuck open. Now the presents lay all over the frozen playground and won't arrive in time. Meagle needs your help to pick them up and save Christmas. Hurry!
Anima watch, check. Anima tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way. Let's hurry up. Yeah, let's go! It's slippery. I must be careful. Team Toolbox incoming! How could I reach it? I have an idea! Hey! Let's have a look. Ha-ha! Team Toolbox will fix this in a flash. That was not an easy one. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Torch? No time to think, let's go! Shoot, I can't see anything. I'm so exhausted. Phew, looks like we'll need a hand, right? Anima watch activated. AnimaCars, let's go! Here comes our friend to help us. Be gentle, my friend. Hey, hey, hey! Yeah! 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 Let's hurry up! Whoa! Really? I have an idea. You can do it! We need some speed! Woohoo! Skippy-doo! Good job! Team Toolbox never fails. Some extra work for us, Torch. Let's have a look. Go, Team Toolbox! Yee! Shh! Did you hear that? So cool! Whoa! I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait! I'm so happy! Great job! Teamwork forever! Hey, my friend! Hey! Hey, where's Torch? Torch? Good boy! Huh? Torch, there we go! Phew! Good boy! Come on, George. We've got work to do.
Team Toolbox, I see that you're having fun preparing for New Year's Eve, but one of your friends is in trouble. Ceta Steel was in the middle of his daily diving practice when all of a sudden a big wave pushed him on the shore. We all know that Ceta Steel loves to dive near the beach, but today he got carried away and forgot how strong the ocean current is. The sun is too hot and he can't get back into the ocean by himself. He needs your help, Team Toolbox.
Anima Watch, check. Anima Tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way. Let's hurry up. Yeah, let's go! Look, George, we're close. Oh no, it's stuck. Whoa! George, do you smell something? Ha-ha! Go, Team Toolbox! Hey, my friend. Don't worry, we'll take care of you. Nothing can't be solved with the Anima tool. Let's have a look. Skippy-doo! Let's go! Ew! We can't fix that on our own. We need help. What's the big idea? You said it, Torch. Teamwork forever. Time to use Anima Watch. Anima Watch activated. help us. Don't worry, big guy. We'll get you out of here. Ready, buddy? Use your strength. Go, go, go! Let's go fix together. Everything is going to be all right. Woohoo! We're gonna do great. Team Toolbox never fails. Yeehaw! Faster! Great! Yee! I'm Chihuahua! Good boy. Jonny and George, fixing together, friends forever!
Team Toolbox to the rescue. Subscribe.
Hey!